Hi, I am Debbie from InDe'B Quilt Shop, and I'm here with a fun tutorial on a 10-minute table runner. It's really fun and easy, and it probably takes less than 10 minutes. So the pattern is free on our website when you buy the kit, and you only need two fabrics. You need a 12-inch piece by the width and an 18-inch piece by the width, and I will show you how fun it is and how easy it is to do. The pattern is from my dear friend Lorraine Clark, and if you would like, she will even sign your pattern for you. But anyway, this is the cute fun table runner. Isn't that fun? And you can embellish your edges with, I put little bees on. You can stitch them up, or you can leave them open. I left these open. You can do it this way, or you can flip it so that your main material here would be all out here, but I'll show you that. Okay. So they're just fun. You can make, add another length, make it longer, make it shorter, whatever you want to do. So we're going to do one today. Okay, so I need cameraman to lower my camera. Stop. There. Okay. So first, you pick out two fabrics that you love. So Thanksgiving's coming. We're going to do some fun fall leaves. So I needed, this will be my outside or my main, and so it needs to be 18 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to measure, put it on here and measure 18 inches by the width, and it doesn't have to be hard, just cut it off. Okay, don't worry about your selvage yet, because you'll cut them off when you're done. And then this one's already cut, and this is my 12-inch. Okay, now all you're going to do is edges, right sides together, line up your edges, and sew. Okay. You can sew a 1/4 of an inch seam, you can sew a 1/2 inch seam, you can sew an inch seam if you like, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to do a 1/4 of an inch seam. This is my cute featherweight over here, and I'm standing up sewing, so this will be fun, but I did do a test run. I'm coming off. And I want you to notice my beautiful Christmas fingernails, because I love Christmas. I don't have any bling on yet, but my phone is ringing. Somebody's calling me, but we'll just ignore it. Just keep your edges straight and sew away. It's probably the longest, the sewing. I was going to say I ran out of bobbin, but I didn't. Oh, I did run off the edge. No, I didn't. Hard to see over here. Maybe I did. Nope. Hard to sew standing up. I know they used to have a company. I won't mention the name. And anyway, if you were in their sewing part, you sewed standing up. I didn't ever do that. Okay, so then you match this side up. And so again, I was a little bit off, so maybe I'll go down here so they'll be straight. Well, that one's off too. Okay. We'll just sew it on here. So both of them would have your selvage, but I cut this one. It was leftover material, so I cut it and it was running the other way. So that's why it was already cut out. I guess I shouldn't put the pedal before I got my hands up here. Going too fast, my thread is jumping out of its holder. Isn't it fun watching me sew? So used to my long arm going a million miles an hour, it seems like it's just crawling. Okay. So now what you do is you just trim your edges even. And cut off your selvage. And you just have a tube. The only measuring you need to do is at the first to get your 12 and your 18 inches. Okay, so I just evened that up. Now you could press these if you wanted, or you can open it up. I'm not going to press it till I don't know why. And then all you're going to do is center it like that, and then you would go press it. Okay, we'll just finger press it. And you take your ends, them together like that. Line up your edge there. Then this one you sew a 1/2 inch. Okay. Move my seam guide off. Sew a 1/2 inch, just straight down. Back tack on your edges. And I do my other one, other side. Okay, so just, these would be nice and pressed. I have one that's pressed, and I'll show you this other way you can do it. Just center it. And depending on the look you want, it's if you take it this way or the other way. Okay. If you had a serger, you could even serge this. Be a lot faster. Back stitch. Okay. Oh, that's a crooked. Oh well. And then flip it. Press your seams open. That seam. And look how cute. Don't look at I didn't match it very well. Hopefully this side's better. And then you can put a cute turkey button or whatever you want. So this one I did this way. See that? The inside points out. And this one, the inside is tucked in. Okay, so to do that one, all you do, look how fast I am, I already got another one done. All you do is flip it this way and sew it instead of the back piece out. That's what I did on this one. Back piece was out, front inside piece was in, but now we're going to do this the opposite. So my back is in. Okay, and then when I sew it, it's all right. Yep, it'll flip like this. Okay, let me show you. Let's do one. Oops, got a big goober there. Doesn't really matter because it'll be inside, but okay, so when you turn these, if you press these opened, it just helps it lay flat. And then just kind of pop that like that. And just press it with my nails. Okay. And then just pop that up. So this one is like that. Isn't that cute? And that's all there is to it. And then you can tack that. If you don't want to put anything on it, you could sew across it. You leave it open, some piece, or you could put like a tassel on the bottom and let it hang. This one I put just a little bee on it. Left it open, just a little bee button. Or you can just leave it. This one you might want a tassel on it because you don't see that part when it's on the table. So isn't that cute? Okay, I'm going up. Okay, so these, we have kits on the website, or you can get your own fabric. You do need a 12-inch piece and an 18-inch piece, so it's a little less than a yard of material. A fat quarter won't work unless you have two of the same fat quarters, and then you would have to seam it or make a short one. So, and the pattern is included. So I hope you enjoyed this. fast and easy, an easy, cheap, inexpensive gift. Less than a yard of material. The pattern's included. It's free. So I don't know how much. I don't even think they were $10, or were they $10 or something? Just an inexpensive, cute, fun gift. So make sure you like, ding the bell, so you can be notified of us, and subscribe.
And the kits will be linked in the bottom in the description.
And the kits will be linked, and the website's linked, right? So anyway, have fun sewing. See ya.